Yeah, it makes banks. So I'm like, I should probably do that.
The program is HVACR. We teach heating, ventilating, air conditioning. We teach electrical.
Change a compressor, change a capacitor on the units.
We're learning the refrigerant cycle and learning how like AC units work and everything.
So far, I've learned how to remove straders.
We started this last year when we were juniors, and we had to put this up, this little power box right here, and I had to feed the wires through this. This tells us if it's working correctly, if it has the right flow, pressure, and it's not leaking or anything.
It is a 2-year program, so it has an intermediate and a capstone advanced class.
I joined the HVAC program because my whole family is in the industry and I just want to be the next step to do it.
I joined because it seems like a cool program, and I think I'll be able to learn a lot of things that I'll be able to use in life and get jobs out of it.
And during my sophomore year, I was told that this program was like really benefiting people, and I saw like all these people getting job interviews from it, and I was like, oh, I really want to see what that's about.
After high school, Mr. G says that he can help us get interviews with union, and that's what I want to try to do. I want to get into electrician program.
We network with our industry partners. We have advisory group meetings, and they come in and speak with these students about the opportunities that they have after graduating high school. Some of them get jobs straight out of high school into career opportunities with the certifications we offer.
And there's a lot of safety to it. That's what the OSHA program is about. Safety, and safety always comes first in any project or any work that you're in.
Joseph, congratulations on receiving your OSHA 10 General Industry. There you go. And Joseph is getting additional as he keeps moving forward. Congratulations. Thank you, big guy.
Right now, I was really thinking about starting my own business, but really like this HVAC program has shown me like the trades and the union, and it's really showed me this whole new world. And so I really think I might become an electrician or an HVAC technician.
They also can get an apprenticeship. They can get internships through the local companies, and also go to any of those local schools here.
I think it's for students that want like a chance on something that's like gonna be worthy to them.
I think it'd be for people that want to learn how to do like hands-on work and want a career out of high school.
I've only been in it for a few months. I'm like, it gives you good life skills, and it just benefits you in general.
We have students that will get out of this program with definitely a lot of hope that there is an opportunity for them. And as you can see, they learn quite quickly and love this industry.